Hi, welcome back Next Tech Spark.
Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a freeze frame effect in Wondershare Filmora. Now, you might be wondering, what exactly is a freeze frame? It's a simple but powerful technique that allows you to pause a specific moment in your video, making it look like time has stopped. This effect is great for emphasizing key moments, adding dramatic pauses, or even creating cool storytelling effects. So, if you're ready to learn how to do this in Filmora, stick around as I walk you through the process step by step. Let's get started.